Bekins Smart Condo here, we have the most advanced smart luxury appliances by Signature Kitchen Suite, which is the premium brand of LG appliances, which were ranked by Consumer Reports as the most reliable full-line appliance brand. This Signature Kitchen Suite 48-inch built-in refrigerator comes stainless steel, fronts or panel ready. It's 26 cubic feet and has 6 separate openings and some pretty impressive flexibility. It's a French door refrigerator on top with an internal water dispenser here. Beautiful aluminum interior with soft closed drawers that are easy to pull out and clean. The racks are easy to adjust by simply lifting up and moving up and down. And you'll notice this really cool lighting underneath each of the shelves to light up all of your food. No matter where you place your shelves, this low voltage LED light gets its power through the brackets. Down below, you have 4 drawers, and the top one here is convertible, which means you can use it as a freezer, a meat chiller, or a refrigerator, whatever you need at the time. Your 2 lower drawers are freezer. And check this out, the really cool thing, this drawer is not only freezer, but along with it, 2 different ice makers. Your traditional ice and the craft ice. You can have ice for everything you need and storage for everything you need in this incredibly flexible 6-door, 48-inch refrigerator from Signature Kitchen Suite. And along with that, it comes with a 3-year parts and labor guarantee and a 5-day repair or replace guarantee, which is unheard of in the appliance world. So when you're looking for a luxury appliance, Signature Kitchen Suite has it all.